Thank you for having me today. Well, listen, after 4 years of real challenges, yes, we are here. We have our customers around us. We can meet face-to-face meetings, which is fantastic. Of course, we have been testing these virtual meetings and during these years, which has been quite good and efficient, but face-to-face meeting with customers is something else. All right, well, we are so glad and proud to have this new baby here behind me. Is a complete new rapier machines. And it's really an amazing thing. We have been delivering 130,000 rapier machines since the first rapier machine was made by Picanol. And after 60,000 of Optimax, which has been very successful during the last years, because 60,000 is really a big number, it was a challenge to go to the next step. Because when you start from something very good, it's not easy. But at the end, by working together, senior engineers and young guys, young engineers coming in, this nice baby came out. And 3 pillars in the idea: performance and quality, because this machine has to produce meters and more meters. But quality, of course, top quality. Second is ready for sustainability. We are going to that direction. It's like it or not, it's future. And third, and not last but not least, is digitization. Problem is all over the world to find people, to find skilled people to run these nice machines. So the machine itself, and of course today electronics help a lot, have to help people working with the machine. So digitalization and connection, of course, I will talk maybe later about it, are the main thing. So the main product we bring here is this new rapier machine, Ultimax. But don't forget that our production is 50-50, rapiers and Nerza. So also Nerza, we came out with a new model, is the last model with the last developments in, where we could increase the speed by 5-10%. And the third is the cloud world data, the big data that this machine can supply. So Peak Connect is our way, is our platform for our customers to be in touch with the machine. All the data of the machines can be transferred, can be seen on a mobile phone or iPhone. This is what is needed today, because people today, especially the new generation, is used to it. So we have to look at these things and grow in that segment. Yeah, well, Ultimax, which is the new rapiers, can reach really high speeds. And there are reasons, it's not by accident. We have redesigned everything, thanks to the experience, but trying to improve. For instance, we reduced the masses, all the moving masses of the machine have been reduced, and less the masses, higher the performance you can reach. This machine in 190 centimeter read width can reach 800, but believe me, what we really succeeded on with this product is to shorten the gap between the theoretical mechanical maximum speed and the real production speed. Saw it during the mill test already in the field. Smart performance is one of the logos we have, because actually performance is important, but should be smart. So just for giving you an example of a smart feature, on the airjet we introduced here in ITMA a new Lino device. So traditionally the Lino device of the airjet is made by so-called Lino, which are 2 bobbins running left and right. We have developed a new system, we can call it Lino, which is much simpler. You can fit the system with a normal bobbin, which means that you will not have to change this bobbin every 3 or 4 days, as it happened now. So again, we go to reducing the manpower and the time that you waste to do these things. So it's a very exciting system. It's the only one now replacing the Irino. So we are very confident. And this is a typical example of a smart device. So P-Connect is a project that we started about 1.5 years ago, where we said, okay, fine, the machine can supply plenty of data, but are we using them? Or do we have access or easy access to them? And the answer was quite clear, not really. And so we started to develop a system to put more sensors even on the machines. Sensors are cheap today. You can put sensors to check the temperature, to check the humidity, because all these conditions at the end of the day are really changing the life of many parts on the machines. So P-Connect is actually a series of applications which you can have because you just connect to internet and you just go into the site with your password and you access your machines in a bi-directional way. You can get data out of it or you can send data to the machine and sit at your home with a glass of wine and on your mobile. So the easy accessibility and the full control of what is going on is crucial for tomorrow. You are touching a very, very, very important point. We have been talking about sustainability. And one big issue linked to the sustainability is energy, of course. Now, we are lucky that energy was on the top list of criteria already in 2007 when we came out with Omnibus, and we said, okay, listen, let's try to save. And then we went to the direction of simplicity, to remove moving parts, remove gears. We put a direct motor. We have been the first to put a direct motor to get rid of the clutch and brake unit and belts and everything. And this process that we started back in 2007 is continuing. This baby here is a Sumo, yes, but by choosing new materials, new ways of cooling and so on, we could again gain some watts, because today you have to say the watt, if you can. My dear, it's written there. Be confident. The situation is what it is. The market, the global situation is what it is. But we know the situation changed and we have to work for the future. During the COVID years, we have been studying and designing something new because we have to be confident. The market will come back. The wars will finish. The currencies will stabilize, and then we will be all back to business. We, from our side, we continue to design, to give training, to install, to give service for our customers, because if they grow, we can grow. Otherwise, there is no future. So we want to be confident.